Hello, everyone. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 9th, 2020, we have here five Sudokus. A Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, a tectonic, and a binary. Yes, total of 5 extra Sudokus, and the first one will be number 1493. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you have an indication of the difficulty level. We have here 4 digits plus 2 is equal to 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. Yes, correct. So let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can use. How about the number 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see which number I can use. How about how about the number the number in this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then how about the 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for a 6 should be there. In this middle column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers for 3 is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. There are 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for a 4 should be here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. How about the number Yeah. These two numbers should be the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Yeah. Let me mark this first because it's a pair, so you can follow it easier. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 7. Then yeah. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in the column next? So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for a 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 2. Then 8 and 5. Alright. 2, 8, 5, 2, 8. Alright. We have an yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 7, 8 is missing. 8. And the 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers in the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for a 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see, yes. Then, how about the numbers? These 3 numbers, 5 is missing, 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Here's supposed to be the 5. 5, 5. 6, 7 is missing. 7 here, okay, and the 9. Yes, the 9 is missing in the first column. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first column, the 5 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for a 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there, the only place for a 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3. Then 1 number left in the third row for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only place for a 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 4. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column. For the number 9, yes, 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 8 is missing, 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 6 is missing, 6 in this column, 6 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be the 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 2-star Sudoku. So see you soon. Bye bye for now.